Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clean with me video because I know that you guys absolutely love these, and I'm going to be cleaning my windows. I'm going to be cleaning my blinds, I'm going to be cleaning the inside of my windows, outside of my windows, and also the window tracks, so basically inside the windows that are open. So I have got a microfiber duster which I'm going to use for my blinds. I've also got a toothbrush for the tracks. I've got a tea towel to dry off, and then I've got a hot soapy water which has got washing up liquid in there, and then a little squirt of vinegar, and that's what I use to do my windows. So if you enjoy, then don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up and hit that subscribe button as well. But let's just get on with it. Okay, so first thing that I always do is I start the blinds clean down. So I do this every week, and you'll be surprised at how dirty these blinds get. So I go in with my microfiber duster, which I think I picked that up in the 99p shop, and I just, like I say, go down each panel, just taking off the excess kind of dust and debris. I then go in with just a standard baby wipe. So yeah, like I say, give all the blinds just a quick wipe down, and like I say, you'll be surprised at how much dirt kind of goes on there. And then I always as well make sure that I turn them the other way round, so I'm doing both sides. So now I always just hoist my blinds up so I can get to my full windows. Ready to be cleaned. Now I'm just going in, I've just got a baby wipe there, and I'm literally just wiping down the side, so that is the window ledge, and just giving it a really good going over. I actually missed last week, and I couldn't believe how dirty the window was by just literally missing 1 week, because I do this every week. Our windows actually were brand new, newly done recently, so I'm trying to keep them as new as possible, and that's the reason as to why I'm doing them so much. So there I'm just giving the PVC just a quick wipe, again just with the baby wipes. I just find, like I say, they get off all the excess. And now I'm just opening out the windows, ready to start the inside of the tracks. So again, I just go in, like I say, with my baby wipe, just taking off the excess. And you will be surprised at how dirty these tracks get, guys, like literally. So now I'm just getting my little stool there, and I am just going up and then doing the top windows as well. So just taking the dirt out of the tracks. I've got my blue cloth there, which most probably means that's a little bit more dirty. So yeah, just giving them a really good going over. And then if I get really stuck, I will always just grab a toothbrush as well. And then I always just give them, like I say, a little bit of a wipe down, just to get all the dirt and debris kind of gone. So there you can see, that's all nicely done, looking brand new, which is what I like. Always tell when I'm concentrating when I stick my tongue out. So then I'm just moving on to the next panel of windows. So again, just going over those tracks, giving them a really good going over, and as you can tell, that one must be a lot dirtier because I've grabbed my trusty old toothbrush and given it a good go. And there we go, looking brand new and lovely. And then, like I say, moving on to the next one. And just giving them a good dry, making sure I'm trying to get those sides as well. You can obviously do this outside to get to the bits that you can't necessarily see. And here I am on the very last set, so I'm just doing the very top part. And then going in with my trusty toothbrush. It's always, like I say, my best friend really, cleaning with a good old toothbrush. And then just giving them a dry again with my tea towel. So then I'm just going in again and just going over that main window and getting in all the crevices, creases of the window. It's surprising how dirty these get. And then I'm actually trying to do the window just outside, just grabbing those tracks as well. And now just gone in with my water, which has got washing off liquid in there and a little bit of vinegar, and giving it a good wash, and then I just dry it off with my tea towel. I tend to find that if you dry it off, always there isn't very many smears, mainly because you put vinegar in the solution. And then when, like I say, I start to get done, I always drop my blinds back down, just so, like I say, no one can really look in. And now I move outside. So basically I literally just wash down all my PVC, wash down my windows, and it's surprising, guys, how dirty they get. I tend to do the outside maybe every 2 weeks. So guys, that is the end of the video. If you've enjoyed it, please do give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't, give it a thumbs down, and let me know in the comments what parts you liked, what parts you didn't like, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.